Welcome guys, welcome back to another video from Classic Games United, right? And if you could guess, yes, this is Pod, a 90s game. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to run the game on modern PCs and how to add extra cars and how to play the game in widescreen. But if you prefer the normal 4.3 aspect ratio, then you could play in that. But I'm going to show you to run the game in widescreen and with the correct refresh rate, 60 FPS. Alright, so first off, you need a copy of the game, which I already have installed here. Alright, I already have your copy of the game. You could find a free copy of the game on freegod.com. You could download the Pod Gold version, and then yeah. So if you want extra cars, guys, you will need the platinum installer. Alright, this will give you extra cars and stuff. So what you'll do, I'm gonna go straight into this. But if you want to confirm that the game is not in widescreen, as I could show you, I just see it's not in widescreen. And as you see, the resolution is very bad. So I'm gonna show you to get the game in widescreen and everything. Alright, so let's get back into the video. So first off, you want to copy these files into your game directory. Alright, so open up your game directory where game exe is. Very simple. And just copy all these files, guys, and just copy. So this will give you extra cars and stuff. These are a very amazing game. Back in the days, I used to play it a lot, you know, and it's so good to play it again on a modern PC. It's so good to see this game that it could work on Windows 10 and newer Windows and stuff. Back then, I used to play this game here in a normal 4.3 aspect ratio. But today I'm going to show you to play it in widescreen and how to make the game look crisp and clean. Alright, so stay with me, guys. Alright, so all the files is copied here. You'll need a program called nglide. nglide. So let's go to here. And this is simple and straightforward. Download it and install it. Alright, download it and install. I already have it installed already. So let's type in nglide, open the settings, and this is it here. So if you choose Vulkan, I don't know if the game will start with Vulkan, but we're gonna try and see, right? So start the game again. I just see it's crashing. So if you realize the game is crashing, just go to here, select DirectX, click apply, start again. See, the game is now started up. Alright, so this is the normal 4.3 aspect ratio. So I just see it is looking much better now. From before, it was looking, the resolution was bad. Now it look much better now. So if you want to select your cars, click on like one player, championships. Alright, click on new, and you will just go to load new cars. Alright, so you just have to replace it and click OK. Then you can select your car here and you can just go in the race.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Alright guys, now if you're like me and you play this game back in the 90s like I did, and you want to play it on a more modern settings like widescreen, then let's go back to end glide. Let's go to end glide. Just now guys, end glide settings, and click fit to screen, apply, go at end glide again because I have a next end glide here, configurator, and you will just click on entire screen, click apply, click exit, and start the game again. So there you go guys, widescreen. Go to one player, select the same car. You will select the same car, right? Click OK.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Alright guys, so there you go. That's the gaming widescreen for you. It might look a little bit shaky, but it's very playable and it plays good with no crashing. I prefer to play it in the widescreen because you can see everything. So there you go guys, that's how to play Pod Racer Planet of Death on modern PC. Alright, so if you are struggling to get the game to work and stuff and you wanted extra stuff like cards and stuff, then this is how you do it guys. So thanks for watching guys, and take care. And if you need any help guys, just join the Discord server, link will be in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video to come. Take care and bye. Classic Games United out. See ya.